Welcome to Scout 20. In this video, we will show you how to respond to a request for proposal. You have arrived at the RFP screen. There are 3 tabs across the top that cover different aspects of the RFP: Overview, Proposals, and Activity. Overview is currently highlighted. This screen shows the high-level details of the program, including the primary and alternate date options. As you scroll down, you will see a detailed listing of sleeping rooms and meeting rooms. If you see a dialog bubble, you can click on it to display additional information. As you continue to scroll down, you will see event history and questions from the planner. If you would like to print or save any aspect of this RFP, click on the Actions button in the upper right corner. Select Print Export and use the Settings tab to select which sections you would like. Click Done. Now select Print or Export. Click Close to return to the main RFP screen. To start your proposal, click on the Proposals tab. On the right, you will see Create or Decline. Only click Decline if you want to decline for every date option. You will then be prompted to submit a reason for why your hotel is unavailable. If you are able to propose at least one date option, click Create to start your proposal. In Create, you will see a new screen with 5 tabs across the top. Please note you are able to bounce back and forth between the tabs. If there is a number next to any of the tabs, it indicates the number of fields that need to be filled out before you can submit your proposal. First, let's walk through the Basics tab. The Proposal Overview box is where you can enter a note to the client or planner describing your hotel and/or why you want the business. At the bottom of this screen, you can attach documents. Simply press the plus sign and select your documents. This is the perfect place to include documents like meeting grids, specifications, and menus. Next is the Dates tab, which lists the date options requested by the planner. It is important to complete one set of dates at a time. Each date lists the first day utilizing meeting or sleeping rooms. As you click on each date option, under Status, the default is Pending. Select Declined if you need to decline only that date, and you must type in a reason your property is unavailable. Select Accepted if you want to bid on that date. Please note if your offer is first or second option. Continue to scroll down to sleeping rooms. You will see a group rate box that you can use to input a single rate into all boxes below. Or you can enter individual rates for each night or type. You will also see a yes/no question: are these rates inclusive? Only answer yes if your group rate includes additional items like breakfast, audiovisual, or meeting package. If yes is selected, enter what is included in the Inclusive Notes field. Continue to scroll down to Meeting Space. The meeting space is initially displayed in Agenda View. If you would prefer to view in day, click that button. You can toggle back and forth between these views at any time. Next, enter the meeting room name and square footage of that room. It is most efficient to enter this information in Agenda View. If there are multiple sets of dates, you are able to copy all of the information you filled out for one start date and copy it into the others. Be careful, you will need to copy from the date you filled out the information. Whatever you copy will be pasted into all of the other date options. You will still be able to go into each set of dates and alter your responses. The next tab is Costs. You will enter costs in 4 different sections. In sleeping rooms, fill in your room tax rate. For resort fee and tourism fee, fill out the rate. If you do not have one, enter 0. Change the type if necessary. And if you have any other mandatory taxes or charges relating to sleeping rooms, simply click the plus sign. For meeting room costs, enter the tax rate and service charge rate. Then enter the total room rental charge for the whole program and identify the type. Please also check or uncheck tax and service as necessary. If you have any other mandatory meeting room costs, simply click the plus sign. For food and beverage, enter the F&B minimum for the entire program. Then enter tax and service charge rate. Also indicate if service charge rate is taxable. Finally, if there are any other mandatory charges, click on the plus sign and fill out the required fields. Now, let's move to the Questions tab. There are 2 types of questions: open text or yes/no. If open text, please detail your response to the planner in the box below. If yes/no, you must select a response. There is a place for comments on all yes/no questions if you would like to elaborate. The final tab is Submit. When ready to send, click Submit Proposal and select Yes. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your proposal using Scout 20.